What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over the intraday timing report on edgeful.com. So here we're looking at RTY, the Russell 2000 futures. We're looking at the New York session, and we're looking at the trailing 1 year. So what this report measures is the average high time of day. So it plots out every time in the last year, every bucket of time in the last year that has been the high of day. And then also if you switch to the low time of day, this shows you how often a certain time period throughout one trading day will be the lowest point of the day. So I'm going to stick to high times here. You can see that 9:30 to 9:45 is typically the highest point of the day on average. The second highest is going to be that end of the day. Maybe it's going to be those crazy pumps that happen at the end of the day. But let me just show you a couple examples here just so you understand what this does. So on the 15-minute time frame, this is the 15-minute time frame. It doesn't actually matter what time frame you're on, but it's just easiest to see on the 15-minute to compare here because these bars are all in 15-minute increments. So here you can see that so far, this is actually today, this is live. You can see that so far, this 9:30 to 9:45 candle in the 15-minute period made the highest point of the day. Typically, this is what you're going to see, this being the highest point of the day. And then here, another example, also, this was yesterday, or this was Friday actually, also 9:30, 9:45 made the highest point of the day. So this is how you can use this report, is to say, okay, contextually, where's my high of the day? If I have a short bias, if it's in the morning, now I can expect more continuation to the downside, which has happened here, and it also happened here. There's a bunch of other examples. Same thing goes for low times of the day. So on the days that are a lot more uptrending, you can see that the lowest point of the day tends to be in that early morning, very early in the morning, whether that's 9:30, 9:45. You can see that the bulk of this is right here between 9:30 and just maybe 9:30 and 10:30. So the way to use this report is to say, if I want to take profits, if I want to have a certain bias in a certain direction, how can I use the time of day to kind of catch a reversal or start to take profits? So for example, the high of day has been noon, the least, or arguably the least amount of time in the last year. 0.39% of the time in the last year, the high of day has been 12 o'clock, or between 12 and 12:15, which most people would think, okay, noon is kind of like the middle of the day, it might be lunch, I'm expecting a reversal around this time, when in reality, the highs and lows of the days are usually at the extremes of the time throughout the day, the trading day. So keep this in mind. There isn't as actionable in terms of having specific levels. This kind of adds confluence to a trade that you're seeing set up. Then we have a table down here. We have a quick explainer graph. We have some explainer text, some more explainer text here, and a chart breaking down all of the actual days and what their high and low times were. We have a price chart here, and then the video that you're watching right now will be right here. So if this video is helpful, please comment, like, subscribe, really helps us out. If you have any questions, you can click on this support button right here. We'll reach out, we'll help you answer any questions you need, and appreciate you watching this. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.